Hi, Jeremy Howard from Answer AI here, and I've got a really cool new trick I want to show you which takes advantage of a brand new feature in Chrome and FastHTML. First of all, let me show you the cool trick, and then I'll show you how to do it. So I'm currently running the, look in the FastHTML example repo, I am running the devtools main.py file. As you can see, it's a very small little file, which is grabbing styles from static styles.css. And currently there are no styles in that file. So we could check that out. So I go gvim styles, static styles.css. As you can see, they're just all empty currently. Let's open up the devtools. Let's head over to the Sources tab and click on Workspace. And you'll see there is an interesting thing just popped up. This is the brand new thing, Workspace folder detected. If I click on Connect, and then at the top here, click on Allow, it has now automatically connected the source code of my FastHTML application into Chrome. So for example, I can now go straight in Chrome into styles.css and I can start changing the styles. So I can go color and I don't know, whatever, we can pick blue violet and you can see it's changed the color. And I can go paragraph, background, colon, Alice blue, let's change the background. And for our container class, we could add some padding for rem. Let's change our padding, our paragraph, we could add a margin to rem, and so forth. So as we're changing things here, it's automatically updating. And then if we hit Command S to save, and then we head back over to Vim, you'll see our actual file on disk has changed as well. And this is thanks to the magic of Chrome workspaces. Chrome's had workspaces for a while, but previously you had to set them up manually. Now with the new functionality in Chrome and FastHTML, it's automatic, as you saw. You just click Connect. So how do we make this work? To make this work, go over to our DevTools repo that I mentioned and click on where it says See this page for instructions. That'll take you here. Depending on when you're watching this, it's currently May 2025. You may have to enable a couple of settings which are being set as we speak to being disabled, to being enabled by default. So if you click on DevTools Project Settings, it'll take you here. So turn that on. Automatic Workspace Folders, turn that on. Okay, once you've got those two things turned on, that's now got it enabled in Chrome, or if you've got a later version of Chrome, that'll be enabled by default for you. And then in your FastHTML app, you simply add app.devtools.json. And believe it or not, that is it. Once you do that, that's going to automatically add a special endpoint in the special place, which they tell you is .wellknown/app-specific/ com.chrome.devtools.json, and it has to contain a thing in exactly a particular format. And so if we click it, you'll see we have been given that thing in exactly that format automatically. And that's all we need. So and it only works on localhost, so there's no issues, having to change it in deployment, in production or whatever. So yeah, just add this to your FastHTML app. And from now on, you'll be able to instantly go in and start playing around with changes as we've seen, and see them happen in real time. And you hit save, and it'll save it straight back into your actual source code. So I hope you find this as cool as I did.